Hey, what's up? It's your girl, MizzLeea. Coming to you from MSW Custom Prints. And I just want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. I really don't do these videos. I'm kind of new to being on camera, so I'm a little bit shy. But this is one of the many times you will see me on my channel. And I just want to introduce you to the MSW Custom Prints YouTube channel. And if you haven't already, make sure you follow us on social media, Instagram and Facebook at MSW Custom Prints. And also make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. So what we're going to be doing is I'm just going to be documenting a lot of things that I'm doing for my customers, some of the services that I'll be offering to my customers. We already know that I have the My Sexy Way store. But I wanted to have, in addition to the My Sexy Way store, a way that you can customize your gear. So I have a lot of girlfriends who love their fab gear, want to have those custom bags, those custom t-shirts, that blinged out tee. So that's what I'm doing it for. And where it goes, if it blows, then that's what it is, you know. But anyway, so if you like my videos, again, please like and subscribe, show your support, share the videos, tag me, whatever you want to do. I'm MizzLeea from MSW Custom Prints, and just wanted to let you know this is where I'll be doing most of my videos from. I am working with a few pieces of equipment. I am a small business, so everybody has to start somewhere, so I'm starting here. Like I said, the YouTube world wasn't really my thing until I started watching other entrepreneurs document their journey, and it just led me to do my own. And plus, it's time for me to get myself out there and show everyone who's behind all these great products. Without further ado, welcome to the MSW Custom Prints